What's the meaning of clip? Clip. Clip.
Clip. Clip. The word clip can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to something being cut or trimmed, whether it is physical objects, such as paper or hair, or digital media, such as video or audio. The result of clipping can vary, but usually involves removing a portion of the original material to create a shorter or more concise version. In the case of videos or audio, clipping may refer to the distortion that can occur when an audio signal exceeds the dynamic range of a device, resulting in a distorted and unpleasant sound.